Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Hi Pisces water sign. This is June weekly reading. This is general, may or may not resonate to everyone. So take what resonates and leave the rest. Energy could be vice versa, guys. So let's see what are the messages for you and what's going on. Guys, this is general reading. If it is not resonate, don't force to fit in. So let's see what are the messages for you and what's going on. Pisces water sign. Okay. Five of messages for Pisces water sign. It's your card, it's your reading, the moon card. Pisces. What's going on, Pisces? You are waiting on someone or something. I think, Pisces, you are restoring balance within yourself, and the person involved in this connection could be especially Libra or Sagittarius, or another Pisces could be. Yes, right now you are balancing things, you are patiently waiting for someone or something. You still have strong emotions towards your person, you love your person a lot, and justice. So, maybe you want second chances with your person, or they want second chances with you. One person cut off the other person in this connection. Maybe right now you both are in separation. For some, you are in no contact. So let's see your reading. Recent past, Five of Pentacles, Six of Swords, and Eight of Wands. I think you were neglected by your person, because Five of Pentacles, they treated you as an option. Maybe this person is in and out of your life. So that's why you decided to move on from this person, and there was a communication happened between you and your person regarding the situation. For some, maybe they are not available to you to talk with you because they are in and out of your life. That's why maybe you decided to move on from this person. Then present Ten of Cups, King of Swords, and the Tower. You want Ten of Cups happiness with this person, but it is not happening. It is not happening. That's why you are taking your control back, because you are very honest and straightforward in nature. You are taking your control back. And the Tower, yes, this separation causes a tower moment for you, because you love this person a lot. You invested a lot in this connection emotionally, Pisces. Then future Four of Cups, the Moon, and Seven of Pentacles. Yes, you still missing them. You feeling missed opportunity with them, and there are some arguments or fightings between you and your person, especially illusions, lot of illusions, and you're still waiting on them. Maybe you're still waiting for them call, or they call for them call or text. Yes, you are waiting for your person call or text. So you're still waiting and patiently waiting here. So the person involved in this connection could be Gemini, Libra, Aquarius, Pisces, Cancer, Scorpio, especially Pisces, could be another Pisces, or Capricorn, Virgo, Taurus, or Aries, Leo, Sagittarius, especially Sagittarius. So let's see your person current feelings and intentions, then we will get more clarity. Empress, Queen of Swords, and Nine of Swords. Right now you both are in no contact situation, lots of you guys, because Queen of Swords and King of Swords. You both have for some ego problems also. Yes, right now your person thinking about you positively, but they're not expressing. And Nine of Swords, they're missing you, Pisces, and they're spying on you. Children's also involved in this connection. So let's see their current feelings and their intentions. This person is very, very passionate towards you and they're thinking about you a lot. And the chariot, yes, they want to make a move towards you. If you are in separation, they want reconciliation with you. If you are not in separation, they want to take this relationship to next level. But there are some issues because Knight of Wands is here. Knights always come and go. There is no stability. That's why maybe you confused. That's why maybe separation had happened. But now they are wishing for this connection. They want reconciliation if you are in separation. So let's see their intentions. Yeah, they are missing you badly, Pisces. Yeah. See, they are missing you very, very badly because 5 of Cups with 4 of Cups and 3 of Swords. They're feeling sad. They're heartbroken without you. And High Priestess, they started listening to their intuition, trusting their intuition. And 2 of Swords. Maybe your person still there in some confusion state. They have to make some decision, but they're unable to make because 2 of Swords energy, they are at some crossroads. But action wise, I'm not seeing any proper action, but they are missing you very, very badly. Yes, they're wishing for reunion and they are missing you so much. So let's pull some cards from a universe where this connection is headed on and the outcome. Four of Pentacles with Page of Pentacles. So they keep tabs on you. And 3 of Wands. For some, you both are in long distance relationship, living in different cities, countries or states. Yes, they want reconciliation with you, but they're not expressing their true feelings to you. Maybe they will send a text or message in future in a normal way. In that time also, they will not express maybe their feelings, but they are missing you so much. Maybe your person is introvert. And you want commitment, you want marriage, Pisces, and you are taking your control back, King of Wands. Now you are no more dependent on anyone, either emotionally or financially. So let's see with the mutual. Think commitment or marriage issues between you and your person. Yeah, judgment, decision making, and 10 of Swords rebirth or 4 of Swords and see. Right now you both are in no contact situation and 6 of Cups, but you both are thinking about each other a lot and you both have strong soulmate connection with each other. See, 4 of Wands, reunion, celebration. So for some, definitely there will be reunion or reconciliation. For some, it depends on your situation. And judgment with 10 of Swords. Yes, you both are in the process of decision making, but you both still want rebirth in this connection. Yes, some decision making, but you both want rebirth. So let's see some messages from your person and through the channel. And the person involved in this connection could be Pisces, Cancer, Scorpio, Gemini, Libra, Aquarius, or Aries, Leo, Sagittarius. I am just not ready yet. Third party involved. Don't leave me behind. Please wait for me. Friendship and I have regrets. For some, you both are very, very good friends. For some, maybe you person putting you in friendship zone. So the messages are, please wait for me. Friendship, I am just not ready yet. Without party involved, don't leave me behind and I have regrets. So these are the messages from your person. And so under the deck, adjustments are required. Even though if you both reconcile, then also there some adjustments are required. So let's see some messages from Moon Oracle deck. The end of your tough cycle approaches, full moon Capricorn, Capricorn energy, and expect powerful changes, new moon eclipse. So the end of your tough cycle approaches. Maybe some cycles are going to be end in near future, especially when full moon in Capricorn, Capricorn energy, and expect powerful changes when new moon eclipse. So this is the reading for you guys. Hope it resonates to you. Please do share, like and subscribe my channel and click the bell icon. Then you will get all my video notifications. Thank you so much for watching and supporting me. Thank you.